Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Binance US verification account, secure guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the URL for Binance US in the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields to enter your email address and password. Input the email address associated with your Binance US account. Next, enter your secure password in the designated field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check for a prompt after entering your password. Open your authentication app or check your email for the verification code. Enter the verification code into the provided field. Once all information is correctly filled out, click the login button. If your information is correct, you'll be redirected to your Binance US dashboard. In case of any errors, review your email and password for accuracy. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate password recovery. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password and regain access. If it's your first login, complete any required verification steps as guided on the screen. Ensure that you log out after your session for added security, especially on shared devices. You have now successfully logged into your Binance US account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.